It amazes me how this area in Los Angeles still kind of goes under the radar a little bit. Everyone's heard of Santa Monica, Beverly Hills, West Hollywood, Manhattan Beach. But Rancho Palos Verde, and especially Rolling Hill Estates, people still say, where? Never heard of it. Where is that place? Which is crazy to me, because if you ask me, this has to be, if not top 5, the top place to live in the whole of Los Angeles. Want to be close to the city and the hustle and bustle, but further enough out where you don't feel like you're living in a big city. Maybe you're coming from out of state and you're used to the trails and the horses and just some fresh air and peace and quiet, but you got to move to LA for work or just a change of lifestyle, but you kind of want to be out of the mix, out of the hustle and bustle a little bit. This neighborhood, Rolling Hill Estates, is gonna be perfect for you. Unbelievable schools, one of the best crime rates, not just in Southern California, but in the entire country. Whether you're raising a family, retiring, teenagers, or young kids, this neighborhood has to be explained. Want to know more? Come on, let's go find out. Obviously, living in the city, if you buy homes in Hermosa Beach, Manhattan Beach, and kind of Torrance, kind of pretty much anywhere in Los Angeles County, unless you're buying $5–10 million homes, your lots are generally 4,000 to maybe 6,000 square foot, if you're lucky. While Rolling Hill Estates, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, 25,000 square foot lots for $2, $3, $4 million. Yes, that sounds like a lot of money, but in this neighborhood in Southern California, $2 to $4 million for a beautiful home is kind of the going rate these days. And you might be thinking, Matt, aren't you a little bit out of it if you live in Rancho Palos Verde or Rolling Hills? And yes, depending on where you live within this area of South Bay, absolutely. If you're down by Portuguese Bend, for example, you can be in the middle of nowhere. But where I'm talking about, Valmonte, which is more Palos Verde Estates, just to the east of Valmonte, southeast, Rolling Hill Estates, you're close to the Riviera, the restaurants, the bars, the beaches, and you've got the freeway. For example, on a good day's traffic, 30 to 40 minutes up to LAX. It's not that bad. 30 minutes up to Manhattan Beach, 45 minutes into Beverly Hills. So yes, parts of Rancho Palos Verde, you can be in the sticks a little bit. But this area, Rolling Hill Estates, I think the location is absolutely ideal. And like I said, you want the outdoor lifestyle. You want the kids off the iPad, breathing in the fresh air. You've got the horse riding. You've got the 26 miles of trails. It's just an incredible place to live. A lot of people move here. It's their forever home. They stay there. They don't go anywhere else. Really good, close-knit community. Whether you've got 4-year-olds, 10-year-olds, or 15-year-olds, like I said, the schools are absolutely incredible. So to get on the market here, really you need 1.6 million, and that's not going to get you anything special. A good budget is between 2–2.5 million, and the closer you can get to 3 million, the better, if you ask me. Are you getting bang for your buck with the large lots and the 2,000 to 5,000 square foot homes? If you ask me, you absolutely are. Also, because people kind of buy these homes and they stay there 30, 40 years, if you're maybe looking for a flip, you're looking to buy a home that hasn't had anything done for a long time and make it your own, Rolling Hill Estates has a lot of options. I just looked at a home on Sugar Hill just last week, and 2.4 million you could probably get this home for. 3,300 square foot, half an acre lot. You could work wonders with this home. 600 grand in, probably have a $4 million home. So if you are looking for flips, not necessarily as someone to flip to make money, but if you're looking to buy, own a user and do it yourself, Rolling Hill Estates, there's some really great opportunities when it comes to buying fixers, doing it up and living in it yourself and building equity that we all love. Now, if you live in Manhattan Beach, Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, pretty much anywhere in LA, and you have chickens, goats, horses, 4 or 5 dogs, cats, people are going to think, these guys are probably a little bit weird. Not in Rolling Hill Estates. The amount of people I see with the chickens and the goats and the animals, once again, if you're moving from Idaho or these areas where animals and livestock is a popular thing, this neighborhood has that. Also peacocks. You're going to be driving around, trust me, you're going to be seeing 3, 4, 5 peacocks a day. They're probably going to be even in your home. They make the beautiful noises. So yeah, if you want to have a little farm, Rolling Hill Estates, got you covered. I'm Matt Tilley, the British bloke. I'm a local realtor. Please reach out. I help a lot of people from my YouTube channel. I hope to help you as well. Plus, just a few minutes away in Rolling Hill Estates, you have gyms, you have ice rinks, you have malls, you have cinemas, a few little restaurants as well. So it's not like you have to drive 20 minutes to go find anything. You want to go to the supermarkets, get a pint of milk that you might have forgotten. Everything is pretty local, pretty close. Same with the hospitals as well. Torrance is not too far away, known for its medical. So once again, location, A star. And if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. I do videos every week on what it's like to live in Southern California. Hope to see you at my next video. And if you are looking to move to Southern California, Los Angeles, maybe Orange County, and who knows where you are, but your friends are probably saying, are you crazy? Why are you moving to California? It's expensive, the taxes, the politics, the religion. I hear all these things all the time, right? And a lot of the people criticizing LA, Orange County, are people who have never even been here. If you ask me, I haven't been to every state in the country. I've been to quite a lot though. But if you ask me, the weather, the quality of life, the opportunity, a place to retire or a place to raise family and give them options and opportunities that they might not get somewhere else in America or in a different country, Southern California, it's got to be hard to beat. I was obviously born and raised in England, near London, and yes, I absolutely love England. But the opportunities that this country has provided me, well, it's exceptional. So give me a call. Don't listen to the media or the news. Give someone, I moved here 2001 and then 2008 full time. I've been here a long time, so I know what it's like to immerse myself, have to make friends, get used to everything. So don't be shy, give me a call. We can jump on a Zoom. More than happy to explain to you and answer any questions you might have. Are you going to love Southern California? Maybe not, but if you ask me, 90% sure you will.